In this video, we are going to show you how to get Smartscout 25% discount for 3 months. Smartscout is an advanced market intelligence software built for Amazon FBA sellers, brands, and agencies. Now, if you are interested in getting this discount, you want to click on the link that we have provided in the description below. And once you are here on this page, you want to look at the upper right corner and click on Start Now, like so. It's going to bring you to their pricing page and just choose which one you want. You can go for basic, essentials, business, or enterprise, whichever one you want. For example, we're going to go for essentials. All we need to do is scroll down a bit and then click on try essentials over here. It's going to bring us to a page where we need to sign up for an account. So full name, email, password, phone number, and where did you hear about Smartscout. So once you're done with this, we're going to be brought to a checkout page. All right, as you can see, payment details, etc. So this is for essentials. Here on the bottom, it says coupon code. We want to click on our code. And as you can see, Ecom Sensei 25, you save 25% off for 3 months. And the total is going to be this. Now, all we need to do is go through the standard checkout process and you will be good to go. By the way, we recently created a detailed tutorial on this app. So if you want to know how to use it effectively, you can watch the video showing on your screen right now. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.